Welcome back to Comedy Roundup. Colors of Rural India. जी हाँ, रूरल इंडिया को समझा, जाना और कैनवस पर उतारा न्यू इंग्लैंड के कुछ क्रिएटिव माइंड्स ने. जी हाँ, Indie Art was an art contest for local kids with global minds, and its award ceremony was organized by the Boston chapter of Ekal Vidyalaya. Also, funds were raised to support Ekal Vidyalaya.
कभी देखी है नन्ही आंखों से भारत के गांव की तस्वीर? शायद ही इनमें से किसी ने हकीकत में देखा है भारत देश, पर इनकी कल्पना में गहराई है. दिल को छू गई ये कला. मौका था Indie Art and Art competition का, which was aimed at local students with global minds. This program was designed by Jharna Madan with the idea of using art as a medium to educate children about the underprivileged children in rural India, and thereby supporting them actually by raising funds for Ekal Vidyalaya.
I've been a volunteer for Ekal Vidyalaya for the last 6-7 years, and last year we developed the concept of Indie Art. It's basically an art contest for children between the age groups of 6 and 17. The concept behind is to kind of create awareness for children here who are so privileged. They have no idea about how kids live in rural India. So this was just a very subtle way of trying to teach them about rural India, and I think we've got a tremendous response. We have over 100 participants this year. Our theme this year is Colors of Rural India, and if you go look around, it's just beautiful interpretation. So big thank you to obviously all the ambassadors that supported us with this cause, our judges, and I think all the parents out there who sat with their child, showed them images, researched with them about rural India. So it was extremely heartwarming to see that, and we hope that we can keep doing this every year. And there are talks of taking this to the national level and having a US-based Indie Art contest.
Indie Art enabled children from the New England area to use their art to make a difference in the lives of underprivileged children in India. This year, Indie Art had over 100 participants, and the theme for the Indie Art 2015 was Colors of Rural India, and his event Komila, owner of Asia Art Gallery, ka support.
So basically, I think first of all, I like the mission of Ekal, and this is a great opportunity to get the kids engaged in the mission of Ekal, helping the village students come to classes. So, and not only that, the kids can imagine how they live and just express their feelings through the paintings. And so, year over year, I've kind of agreed to sponsor this. Great way to get our kids engaged in art. Indians are good at promoting science to their kids, but art teaches a lot of other things and exercise their right brain. So this is a great opportunity to do that as well.
The participants got the opportunity to work with Indie Art ambassadors, जिनके दिल के करीब था ये cause, and of course, art is passion for them. And also, Academy of Creative Arts was happy to support this event.
Well, Jharna contacted me when she was looking for art ambassadors, and I'm glad I could be part of it because I love art, and it's for the noble cause. It's for Ekal Vidyalaya. So that was the best thing. I mean, for me, it's two things in one. Like, I'm doing something noble for kids, and art is like very close to my heart. So I was like, I'll be more than happy to do this. And I wanted all my students to be part of it. I hope they all send their paintings. But yes, I'm honored to be part of this.
It's been amazing. First of all, I would like to thank you, and it's our pleasure to host the event at the Academy of Creative Arts. And this Indie Art is a unique idea to create awareness in Indian kids here about rural India, about underprivileged kids in India. So congratulations to Jharna Madan, you and Ranjini Sehgal ji, Ekal Vidyalaya.
No, I think she said it all. I think it's our pleasure. This place is all art, and we are just absolutely delighted to see all the artwork from kids. It's just wonderful. I wish I could be that creative as all of the kids. So it's wonderful to have everybody here, and we are honored to be part of this.
कुछ इस तरह से इन आर्टिस्टिक बच्चों के विजन से कई सपने होंगे पूरे। ऐसा ही जादू होता है आर्ट में। एंड इंडी आर्ट कंपटीशन के दौरान हुई अवार्ड सेरेमनी भी काफी दिलचस्प रही और कला का सम्मान किया गया। साथ ही हाईएस्ट बिड वाज आल्सो ऑनर्ड। एन अवार्ड सेरेमनी ऑफ इंडी आर्ट कंपटीशन ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बाय द बॉस्टन चैप्टर ऑफ एकल विद्यालय वाज सक्सेसफुल एंड अ मेमोरेबल वन।
Community believes in